Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a pleasure being here today, doing another video for you guys. I hope everyone's good. Guys, thanks very much for the support. And please remember guys, if you enjoy watching my videos, then go over, stop watching me right now. Why not go over, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification key as well. So each time your boy upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Yeah guys. So guys, today I'm here and what I'll be making for you today is a Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Yeah guys, that's what I'll be doing today. I've done it once, but that's been like a couple of years. But I remember my nan always making sweet potato pudding, guys. So that's why today I've decided to make you a nice sweet Jamaican pudding. So in a minute I'm going to be showing you all my ingredient that I'll be using. So guys, as I said before, I'm going to make a sweet potato pudding. So that's all my ingredient there. I've got 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 cup flour, 3 pounds sweet potato, some yellow yam, cinnamon. I got rose and almond, vanilla. I've got almond and I've got mixed essence as well. I've got the coconut over there. So first thing I'm gonna do is start peeling the sweet potato. So I put my flour there. I've got the coconut there. So let me start peeling my sweet potato. I'm going to grate the sweet potato by hand. So that's how I peel my potato. Guys, the grater is hard. I'm not looking forward to grating the potato, you know. So I'm going to cut it in about 3 or 4 and then can get it prepared to wash and then grater. This is big potato. Yep. Sweet potato is quite expensive as well, guys. Very, very expensive.
Hi guys.
That's Jaden saying hello. Always eating. I'm gonna peel the yellow yam and I'm gonna leave it in some water, preventing it from getting black.
Hi guys.
So I just leave it in some water. I'll leave that there. I'm just gonna drop a bit of lemon juice on it. So by the time I'm ready, it doesn't turn black. Now I need to cut the coconut. That can go in the blender. I washed it already, but I'm just going to give it another wash. So I'm going to use about between 2.5 cups of coconut milk to about 3 cups. Guys. Now I can wash the sweet potato. And a grater. I forgot to take the grater out. Let's try that. There's my grater. This is the hard bit. Grater in the potato. Yeah, that's the bit I'm scared of. My hands hurting already. Guys, and I'm gonna use some white rum as well. I forgot to tell you that. So that's 2 down and 1 to go. So that's the potato almost finished. The sweet potato. That was hard job to do, I ain't even gonna lie. Okay. So I can put that to one side. Next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend the coconut. Jaden?
Yeah.
What's up? Huh? Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
What's happening? Close the door. Close the door. Yeah. Huh? So that's the coconut milk ready, guys. So you don't have to strain this, right? I brought those strainer earlier on today. Natural coconut milk. I'm gonna keep a little bit of the coconut trash to put in the pudding. Just a little bit. So that should be fine. Yeah, I'm gonna I need to get this proper dry. Make sure And this is gonna go in. Them bits I'm taking out is just a little bits. So you see that it's not too much water. Yep. Run that back through the blender. Yep. So I'm gonna pour the coconut juice in there. Yep. So guys, as you can see, I'm just gonna grate the yam. In the meantime, I'm gonna throw the sugar in the coconut milk. So that's my coconut milk and it's there ready. So I'm gonna throw the sugar in it so it gets, just stay there and get dissolved out. Then I'll put all my essence, my vanilla and everything in that when I finish grating. So this is the yam. I'm grating now, guys. Remember I said it's yellow yam. This will help the pudding to hold it together. Because remember, it's not like a cake, it's a pudding. So I'm not mixing the sugar to make it fluffy. So I'm just using the sugar. So the sugar goes in. So that's my yellow yam. Guys, remember if you're grating the yam, try not to let it touch your skin, otherwise it will scratch. Yam does scratch. So, trying to get that to dissolve out. That's got a bit of coconut in there. I can see it running about. There you go. So I'm going to put my yam in here and just mix the yam with the sweet potato. Now that I've got that sugar dissolved, I'm going to put my vanilla. Guys, I'm using Benjamin vanilla. Can't open that. Too tight. So I use a knife to break the seal. That's slipping. I've done it. Finally. So that's it for the vanilla. Now I've got mixed essence. The Benjamin vanilla is really, it's a nice taste. That's taking forever. Yeah. I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of cinnamon, or just a little bit over a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I got some rose and almond. Which I'll use, just got some sugar on it. Two tablespoonfuls. That's just some almond, so I'll use like a spoon. Yep. Tablespoonful of salt. Then I've got my nutmeg. That's it, guys. So I just need to put my rum in now. That taste. Let me go get the rum. So I'm using white rum. Yeah, guys. Yep, so I'm gonna put my flour in. And I'm gonna mix it together, as you can see. I need to get a different spoon. The spoon's too soft. So in the container I've got the yam, yellow yam, sweet potato, I need to get a spoon of melted butter as well. So tablespoonful of melted butter. There you go, guy. I'm just gonna put it in the microwave. Let me switch it on. Yeah. So the flour that I put in is just to help hold it together. So I don't use, remember it's not cake, that's why I'm not using a lot of flour. So that's my butter and it's melted, so I'm just gonna throw it in. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put my coconut milk in with my spice. Mix it together. Guys, I'm gonna turn the oven on. Get it preheated. And it's all-purpose flour I use, guys. Remember, all-purpose flour. That's it now, guys. So all I need to do now is just wait for the oven to preheat and then I'll see you in a minute. So guys, I forgot to turn the camera on. So I'm just putting it in the pot. In the pot, I use butter to grease it so it doesn't get stick in the pot. Bye, JJ. Jaden saying bye. Yep, so the oven is ready. So I'm just gonna put the oven on. Just put it on to let it cook now. Yeah, the oven is hot, proper hot. So I'm turning it down and I'll check in back with you guys. I'll update you on how it's coming on, okay? Guys, I've got the rest of the coconut milk which I'm gonna turn on the stove I'm gonna let that cook all the way down. That's the one that left over with the sugar, so that can go on the top. But I'm gonna let it boil right down so you can see the natural coconut milk. So I've just turned the stove on and I'm gonna leave it there. So guys, thanks again for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, also leave a comment. Thanks very much and I'm out.